In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. If your dates don't look the way you expect, maybe you're seeing month, day, year when you want day, month, year, the fix lives in your spreadsheet settings. We'll adjust the locale and time zone so Sheets knows how to display and interpret your dates, and then we'll apply those changes. Start by heading to Google in your browser. In the top right, click the grid icon, which opens the Google Apps menu, and choose Sheets. This takes you to your spreadsheets. Open the document where you want to change the date format. If you already have the file open, you can follow along right there. At the top left of your spreadsheet, click File. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a small window with options that control how your spreadsheet behaves. On the General tab, find the Locale setting. The Locale tells Google Sheets which regional formatting rules to use. Pick the country that matches the date style you want. For example, choosing the United States gives you month, day/year, while choosing the United Kingdom gives you day, month/year. Many other countries follow day, month.year or other variations, so select the one that fits your needs or the audience you're sharing the sheet with. This choice also affects things like currency symbols and decimal separators, so it's worth matching it to your real-world context. Next, select the time zone. This is especially important if your sheet uses functions like today, now, or timestamps from forms and scripts. Setting the correct time zone ensures dates and times are calculated and displayed accurately for your region, and it helps avoid those off-by-one-day issues that can happen around midnight or daylight-saving changes. When you're done, click Save and Reload. The spreadsheet will refresh, and your new settings will take effect. From this point on, any dates you enter will follow the format defined by your chosen locale. If you already had dates in the sheet, many of them will instantly display in the new style, as long as they were recognized by Sheets as real dates. If some entries don't change, they were likely typed as plain text. In that case, re-entering them in a consistent pattern that matches your new locale will let Sheets store them as true dates, so they'll format correctly going forward. That's it. By adjusting the locale and time zone, you control how dates appear and behave in Google Sheets, keeping your data clear, accurate, and consistent for everyone who uses it.